Today guys, I show you how to turn on monetization for your YouTube channel. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Okay guys, after you open YouTube like me, move here in right corner on your profile picture and go here on YouTube Studio. Click on it. You will see Welcome to YouTube Studio. Go here, continue. Move here down, you will see Earn. Click on it. As you can see, become a YouTube partner. Scroll here down, you will see How do I join? In first section, you need 1000 subscribers and one of following 4000 public watch hours. Make sure you follow community guidelines and enable two-step verification. The fastest way to complete these requirements is to put little short video. The short are fastest way to get you views. After you complete this, you have here many ways to earn. Watch page on ads, short feed ads, memberships, supers and shopping. When you done this all, I show you how to enable monetization on your videos. Okay guys, when you complete all this partner section and requirements, open your video. Like me, to enable monetization on your videos, just go here monetization, click here left. As you can see, you have here monetization, you can turn this off or on. To enable monetization, just switch this easy on like me and go here done. As you can see, YouTube automatically plays ads in your videos. And save this. For short videos, YouTube automatically turn monetization on. And that's it all guys for this video, how to enable YouTube monetization on your channel and how to make your videos monetized. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and type in comments if you have some questions. I see you in the next video.